Hi, this is Rick Valdez at the Ocaso Knives booth. Welcome to SHOT Show 2025. Here where we're making gentlemen's pocket knives with premium materials and everyday carry accessories. What you see right here is just a slim, sleek style knife called the Solstice. The designer is Andrew Demko. We have different variations of it. Titanium handle, carbon fiber handle. They come with S35VN steel, and they come in different blade shapes from the Wharncliffe to the Harpoon, and then the straight back. And then as you move over here, some more items in the category are like a desk knife. We have a gentleman style slip joint. We have a gentleman style OTF automatic knife. This is something that's new, the Strategy, which is S35VN titanium handle. And this particular piece was unveiled last year. It's a desk knife that comes apart and becomes the ideal thickness for a letter opener. And we're also going to have it in a fixed blade knife, fixed blade version. So for all this items and more information, you can visit us at ocasoknives.com or your local store in Croatia.